In this video, I'll show you how I can connect HubSpot to Base44. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. And the first step is open integrations in Base44. Then search for HubSpot, open it. And from here, as you can see, you need these credentials. So HubSpot API key. And to get it, go to HubSpot and click on this gear wheel, this settings icon. Then from here, click on integrations, open legacy apps. And from here, if you don't have an app created, you can click on create legacy app. Then you can choose public or private. I'm gonna choose private, then name it. You can upload your logo or description. Then in scopes section, you can add scopes. So for example, I'm gonna choose CRM export, then click update. And then you can also add a webhook. And after you have these details filled, click on create app, continue creating. This will create your app. And from here, you need to click on this auth. And from here, this is your access token, this one. So click on show token. Then copy it, go back to Base44 and click on use this integration. Now paste the key and that's it. That's how you can connect HubSpot to Base44. Now you can sync your customer data, automate marketing workflows and enhance sales productivity with using your HubSpot account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.